Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Surprisingly, today we are living in this era where our age-old Sanatana Dharma is being compared to a disease like corona, malaria or dengue, which has to be eradicated completely. See, insulting our Dharma just for the sake of vote bank politics and asking it to be abolished completely, is it really true on their part? Hopefully, our entire community, irrespective of any caste or creed or any sector, came together in order to protect this dharma. See, we all believe in karma. Karma in the sense our deeds. If we haven't done wrong to anyone, then surely nothing wrong will happen to us. This is what our dharma says. So our entire life stands upon our fate and destiny. So, Dharma, it is very much essential for personal growth. We must consistently strive and we must discard our own Dharma. We must strive to fulfill it. Then only we can get to know the true sense of life, true purpose of our existence in this world. All this can be achieved if we lead our life with a beautiful character. How do we gain such a character? Because for a human, character is a crown of life. It is the best position a human being can hold. In order to develop this character, one must gain knowledge about our epics, about our Puranas, Shastras and what all our Vedas say. All these help us guide in a perfect manner. See, today on this auspicious occasion of Ram Navami, when we see how Lord Rama led his life, we all know Lord Rama is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. But at the same time, when we keep it apart, Lord Rama led a beautiful and ideal life. When we see his charactership, it is a perfect ideal life which is led by a perfect human being. So in order to obtain such a perfect and beautiful character, apart from our Vedas and Shastras, even the Subhashitas also guide us morally. What are these Subhashitas? Subhashita, the words which are actually good and which are eloquently stated or spoken. These are the gems which are actually mined from the various scholars' sayings like Chanakya, Bhartrhari, Vidura and all. From the start to the end, that is from our life begins with a cradle and when it ends on the deathbed, that is the grave, these Subhashitas give us perfect life examples and it shows us the right and royal path covering the many topics in our life in order to live the life in a perfect and ideal manner. These Subhashitas, along with the company of a noble person, a perfect guru who can imbibe the perfect knowledge about our dharma to us, these are the beacons to navigate the choppy seas of life. In this world which is filled with venom, these Subhashitas provide an elixir to our life. So let us get to know more about these gems in the coming parts. Thank you.